Yeah, good evening. So if you want to talk, you can raise your hand. I can make you talk if you wants to talk. Okay, so all of a sudden I just gone through your WhatsApp messages and just thought that you are not on a right track. That's why I just came live. So here is a problem where you are struck. So here it is. So that is the shaded is income. The shaded is income. Very good evening. The shaded is income and not shaded, empty is the expenditure. So the first question here is the ratio of average income is to average profit. So that's what the question is. So is question clear? Is question clear? Is question clear? If it is clear, CLR in the comment box. If it is clear, CLR in the comment box. రమణారెడ్డి నేను లైవ్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా, నేను మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేస్తా. Okay, right. So the average of income and average in the profit. So let's focus on the income as well as the profit. So to focus that, please tell me, in 1982, here it is in lakhs in rupees and the income is there 0, 10, 20, 30. So rather calculating 30 as a number, take 3. This is 3. So this is 5 and this is 4 and this is 6 and this is 6. So if I add all, 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6, this is equals to 24. So if you are clear, CLR in the comment box. If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. Yes. Later, this is income. And for the average income, you should divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not required. Average here and average here automatically get cancelled. So the best way to calculate here is income is to profit is enough. Now the profit. What about the profit? Profit is nothing but the income as well as the expenditure difference. So income as well as the expenditure difference, and income should be more and expenditure should be less, then only you will get a profit. That's it. If you understood, you in the comment box. If you understood, you in the comment box. Yes. Now here in 1982 it's 20 and 30. You forget 20 and 30, it's just 2 and 3. So difference is here it's 1 plus here it's 1 2 plus, and here it's 1 plus, and here it's just 2 plus, and here it's 2.5. So the best approach is here 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2.5. It's enough to calculate. So if you add this, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2.5 is 8.5. So it's just 8.5. This is what a profit. If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. So generally I won't come with this t-shirt, but just for the sake of you I just came. So if you are clear, just let me know. Is 8.5 clear? Yes or no? So this is very, very, very important. So rather calculating everything, just focus on the bricks, because data interpretation is very, very simple if you focus on bricks rather than the numbers, right? So now the income is 24 and the profit is 8.5. Profit is 8.5, which is the ratio should not be 8.5:24. So I should write, so this is 48 and that is 8.5 double. 8.5 double. So 8 2 times is 16 and that is 17. So 48:17. It's enough. So what my intention is, you are rather going through all the numbers, big numbers. Suppose if it is not 20, if it is 200 or 2000 or 2 lakh or 2 lakh 100. So if it is like that, again you please take only the bricks. Then you will get the results very faster. Rather calculating average, you please better to calculate the just average, and average automatically will get cancelled. Here the income, there is a profit. It's enough. Income and profit ratio is enough to calculate. If you are clear, please type CLR in the comment box now. If you are clear, Johar, Sadiq, Shivaram, Anupama, Sushmita. If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. Very good, very good, very good. So this is very, very, very simple answer. So answer here is 48:17. That's it. So have you got any other number? I just gone through that, and wait, you said something. So your answers 17, Anupama. Then first question 48:17 is correct. Yeah, Anupama, 48:17 is correct. And first question answer, because it's 240:85. Yeah. So my intention here is, the procedure what you are doing is right for the academics, but not for the competitive exams. For the competitive exams, just go for, it's just a 3, it's just a 5, it's just a 4, it's just a 6, it's just a 6. Only take the bricks. Take the bricks itself. Then you will get your value. It's 24. And 1, 2, 1, 2 and 2.5. These are the profits, only the profits. So you will get 8.5. So 24 and 8.5, answer is 48:17. That's it. Your approach should be different. So if you understood very clearly, type U in the comment box. For the first question, already answered, but my intention is different. That's why I just came on live. Very good, very good, very good, Johar, very good, Sadiq. Okay, let's try for the other question. Percentage increase in the profit. Percentage increase in the profit 1986 over 1982. Over 1982 in the sense, from here to there, from the beginning to the ending. That's it. Only the profit. Percentage increase in the profit. So you should able to know the profit percentages, right? Percentage increase in profit in 1986 over 1982. Percentage increase in the profits. Okay. Profit here is 1 brick. Profit there is 2.5 brick. So 1 brick, 2.5 brick. So that is 100 became 250. 100 became 250. So how much more? How much more? It's just 150 more. So answer directly over. So 150%, it's enough. 150%, it's enough. So if you are clear, CLR in the comment box. If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. If you are clear, excellent, excellent. Now the next question what you are discussing, the total income exceeds the total expenditure over the years 1982 to 1986. Yeah, that is again the income exceeds the total expenditure. Here what you require is the total number only, but rather calculating the actual numbers, if you are able to calculate very faster the bricks, rather after calculating the bricks you can just convert with just a minute point, right? So 1 brick already calculated in for the first question. So it's 8.5, which is 10, so 85 lakhs. So for the third question, anybody answered? Think Anupama answered for the third question. Yeah, third question, it's 85, right? Very good. So for the next question, what is the difference in profit between 83 and 84 in a lakh rupees? So difference in profits, so 83 profit is 2 bricks and 84 profit is 1 brick. So 2 bricks and 1 brick, the difference is only 1 brick. 1 brick consists of 10, so 10 is enough. So if it is difference in profits between no profit 5, 10. So answer is C. So 10, right? And the next, the fifth one, the number of years in which the income is more than the average income, average income of the given years. So generally for these type of questions, you should able to calculate in a sequence manner. Step 1, you should able to calculate first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, all incomes. Then you should able to add all. Then you should find the average. Then you should compare whether my answer is right, whether my answer is lesser or greater. Finally you will get it. So if you understood what I am telling, type U in the comment box. If you understood what I am telling, type U in the comment box. Yes, very good. And when coming to that, are you able to view this? Okay, now you are able to view. Okay, I am worried about the fifth question at present. So are you able to view now? Fifth question, are you able to view now? If you are unable to, I will zoom it. Okay, right. So the income in the years in which the income is more than the average income of the given years. So average. So here I should worry about the diagram. Yes. So this I should worry about this. So on an average, if I just observe with my naked eyes, what might be my answer? So this should be definitely more than it, more than the average, definitely more than the average income. Definitely it will be, because the peaks are very high. Definitely this is low, this is high. So you can decide on the spot, no need to check again. Yes or no? If yes, type C in the comment box. If yes, type C in the comment box. Yes, very good. So what the at present question, what is the present question? The present question is the number of years in which the income is more than the average, that is more than the average, right? So if I observe the graph here, so these two are high, so 2 is over. I should answer more than 2. Or what about this? If I add all this, generally, so this is also high. So definitely it might be 3 without my intention, without doing any calculation, without adding or without dividing, without finding any average. I am able to tell it's definitely, it might be 3. There is no piece of any calculation, there just a logic involved in it. If you understood, type U in the comment box now. If you understood, type U in the comment box. Yes. So now we will try to interpret what we are thinking, okay, with the help of our methods, traditional methods. So generally 6 plus, here it is 6 and this is 4 and this is 5 and this is 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 plus 6 is 24 divided by 1 2 3 4 5, it's a 4.8, which is, what are 4.8? 4.8 more. This one is more, this one is more, this one is more. Automatically these three are high. I am calculating at present. Earlier I just depended on my logic. What is my logic? On on watching the number itself, the graph itself, on watching the graph itself, I am able to tell, because these two are high peaks, then definitely it lies in the more than the average income. Definitely it lies in a more than. Yes or no? If you agree, type U in the comment box. If you agree, type U in the comment box. I am just changing the letter so as you are attentive or not. Yeah, very good, very good. So again, because this is very near to that, definitely the average is more than the average. So I had taken, with my logic, it's 3. I will even add the other logic to it. See here, observe here. What is average? Average means distributing equally. Yes or no? Distributing equally. To distribute, what I will do, I will take another. Yes. See, what is average? Average means distributing equally. What I will do? I'll cut one brick. It is not allowing me to cut the brick. Okay, I will make it. So I will cut this brick. I will cut that shaded brick, and I'll add here, and I will add here. So the average is nothing but increasing a little by diminishing from the higher one and adding to the lower one. So taking from the higher income and giving to the lower income people. So that is what the distributing equally. If you are agree with me, if that is S, type S in the comment box. Yes, very good. So in a same manner, another brick, I'll take another brick, and this I'll add here, So this is equal, and this is equal, and this is equal, and this is equal, but except this all are equal. Yes or no? If you agree, type A in the comment box. Except this middle brick, all are equal at present. Yes. So where I cut, that definitely more than average. And the one which is added, that is definitely less than the average. What must be added, which is already lesser, that also less than the average. And what's the one which is not left, I have not added, and I have not even added, as well as not even diminished, which is definitely I should cut all and add to this so as to make that even equal. That means there should be again reduction. So definitely it is more than the average. That's why I am able to diminish it. So there are 3 definitely. There is no calculation involved. There is not even number and not even years. Just observing the figure. Yes or no? If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. Okay, that's it. So I just on watching your answers, I am unable to sit properly. I just came on live. So and what about that puzzle we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so this is in a doubt session. The doubt sessions will be discussed in only doubt sessions, right? So okay, great. So I'll make this. This is already live and it will be available to you, right? Bye bye. Good night. We'll meet tomorrow. Hope the internet works well and we will be live tomorrow morning, right? Bye bye.